What's that kitty doing? She's like, oh, I can't fit. What are we gonna do with her? Are you panicked, Frankie? Yeah, a little bit. What's she gonna do? Frankie. Frankie, just jump out. She doesn't realize she can just jump out. There we go. Uh-oh, hiccups. Oh, there's something extra on that hiccup. Come on, Frankie. She's getting a little stressed. Should I help her out, Abby? I'm gonna help her.